How to add Pinterest widget on home screen. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Pinterest widget in your home screen. For that, you need to have your Pinterest app downloaded in your device. For that, long press on the empty home screen of your mobile. Below, some options will pop up. Click on Add Widgets icon. Now swipe and search for Pinterest related widget. This may be different in other mobile devices. Here I have the options to add single pane or a collage of 6 pane. Choose what you want, then add as much as panes you want. And you're all done. The best part is it will be changed time to time, and when you click on it, you will be taken to the Pinterest app directly, along with more such similar pictures. Isn't that cool? That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.